steady. Just barely. It's about to be summer, which means the Summer of Welding event is going to kick off. But this time, unlike last year, I don't have the time, space, or energy for doing in-person training again. But I do have a really awesome giveaway set up for you guys. The Primeweld TIG225, the Primeweld MIG-180, and the Primeweld Cut 50, along with 4 CK Worldwide Flex-Locs. I am giving all of this away. Now these 3, that's one big prize. These 4 up here, those are just going in random orders. Very, very simple. Head over to weldmetalsonline.com, where every $5 you spend gets you 1 entry into winning all of this. And if you're just one of those lucky random orders that I choose, you might get a CK Worldwide Flex-Loc slipped into your random order. Completely random. Now, if you want to get a hold of one of those Flex-Locs, you do have to buy something there. But it could be big, it could be small, you could be new customer, you could be old customer. It's literally just going to go in one random order that you buy something, and you might just have an extra TIG torch sitting in your order. But for the other 3 machines, there is no purchase necessary, so make sure you check out weldmetalsonline.com for the official rules and ways to enter. I almost forgot, if you're watching this on Memorial Day weekend, there's the big Memorial Day weekend sale going on at weldmetalsonline.com right now. There's a lot of heavy discounts. I don't know all of them because I didn't put them together, but a bunch of stuff is marked down, and then there's a big discount. I think it's 12% or something like that, and automatically put into the cart for Memorial Day sales. So go take advantage of those savings. And again, if you follow me on Instagram, you know that sometimes I am on that shipping line, shipping out your orders. So if you put a little order note or special instruction box or whatever at checkout, and it says, you know, hi or whatever, sometimes I respond back if I see it. And now I guess on to some other news. I have to weld up this entire exhaust system, and I plan to do this on a video for you guys. But the question is there anything specific you want me to discuss, talk about, cover, or anything else like that when it comes to welding a stainless steel exhaust system for somebody else? You know, just drop it down in the comments there. I'll try to address that. I have to do that. Now, on to other news, or like updates or something like that, I guess you could say. Now, I've been working on some stuff for quite some time. And you know, even last year around this time, I said there were big changes coming. That's how long it's been taking to do. I'm currently waiting on some paperwork, so I can't talk about anything quite yet, but if it does happen, or if we get it, bring it to fruition, whatever the case, holy crap, is this going to be big. It's the biggest thing that I've ever done, ever, especially with this company or in the terms of TFS and everything else like that. So I'm going to try to keep you updated on that as best as I can, but in the meantime, unfortunately, I'm not allowed to talk about it just yet. But when it comes to that stainless exhaust, let me know what you guys want to know about it. And of course, make sure you head over to weldmetalsonline.com. Every $5 you spend over there gets you entered in to win this really awesome setup. All yours. And of course, possibly a Flex-Loc TIG torch. So yeah. The Summer of Welding giveaway ends on June 30th, 2024 at 11:59 p.m. Pacific time, so make sure you get your entries in before that happens. I wish everybody the very best of luck in this giveaway. I wish I could give a machine away to everybody, but I am not the Oprah of welding. As always, thank you guys so much for all of your continued support, and especially your patience as TFS has gone through this transition and everything else like that. So I can't wait to share everything with you guys and tell you what's going on if we get it all to happen. It's just like, oh man, so close. But either way, I will see you guys on the next episode. Again, good luck, and let me know what you want to learn about when it comes to that stainless exhaust that I'm going to weld up. So see you next time.